I'm Kevin McKinley, and I live United. I did get involved with the United Way through mostly golf events that we've run. We run a spring golf event for the United Way and have done, over the years, have done different things to make that event more interesting and more fun for the participants, and to try to raise money, obviously, for such a great cause. The other side of our involvement with the United Way is through the Pepsi Fall Charity Invitational, which is an invitational here at Treetops. We pick about 5, 6, or 7 organizations every year for the Pepsi. I give to the United Way, and that money is going to go to a lot of different places, which is what makes me excited to give to them. Tammy said, how about if you come and sit on this Citizens Review panel? And you can actually see these organizations come in and ask us for funds, and you can see how we allocate these funds. You need to learn a little bit about their organization. You need to feel the passion from the employees. In some cases, they actually will bring in people that have been helped through that organization, or they talk about how it has helped. And it was just an unbelievable experience for me as a donor to be able to go in and see this process. I can see somewhat the world changing for the worse in some ways, unfortunately. But on the other hand, an organization like United Way is out there and is helping that not happen, is helping the world not change in a worse way. They're an organization that, frankly, is going to make my kids' community that they grow up in and my kids' world that they grow up in a better place to be.
I am John Schwassell, and I live United. I didn't have a place to go at the time, so at the time being, I was giving up hope, and looking down at things of what my life is turning to, and all of a sudden I came across a friend of mine that told me about the Friendship Shelter. They helped me succeed in getting a job and housing. What the shelter does for me and what United Way has done for me, I want to return that back, and I dedicate myself to it as I am a board member. I'm a type of person where if I have it, I will give it. I mean, I'm a caring, loving guy where I just up and give the best I can. If it's my heart, I will give my heart for that person, as long as they know that they have somebody right there that will care. That's why I want to put more and more into United Way and the shelter, because I feel that what they have done for me within the past, I wanted to give them right back to them. I wish I could do everything, but we all can't. So I try to do the best I can for everyone. I want myself, and other people should, give back to United Way for the help they gave us.
I'm Cody Rivers, and I live United. I'm a youth board member for United Way, and I volunteer with the Volunteer Center. I got involved with the United Way Youth Board to represent the youth, help make decisions that'll benefit our community, and get youth more involved in the community in general. I think if they volunteer and help out and see what the world is about and how other people have it even worse off than they do maybe, then they understand, hey, this is what we need to do to correct these problems in society and make the world better. Knowing that I can help somebody is obviously a great feeling, because you know that you're making somebody else's life better than what it was. You can't really even explain the feeling. It's just really great to know that you're helping somebody else. With the beautification project, it was moving towards making the United Way building a better environment. And I think that kind of just carries over with what they do, is they try and make the world itself better. The people that were there, they were having fun, they were talking and hanging out kind of too while they were working, so it allowed for a good atmosphere, and it got a lot more work done, and they had fun doing it, making their community better. The people at United Way seem to genuinely care about everything they do. I mean, there's passion in what they do, and that's really good, and I think it's helped me get more passionate about helping other people and become just an overall better person for it.
To me, living United would be everybody together. There is always a helping hand.
There are a lot of things that people have right now to be negative about and to put blame on one another, and I think Live United is just the opposite of that. let's not blame each other for the problems that we're experiencing right now. Let's come together and figure out a way to make it better, to make it livable.
To me, Live United means that everybody gets involved in their community and helps the world become a better place, because one person alone can't do what a community of people can do. A group of people can change the world.